my guests. So, make a keep it up. Welcome everybody to Yaad Abroad with Cake Sweetness. I'm your hostess, the mostest. The champ is here. Them say me are the champ, so make could say it now, make could claim it now. Welcome everybody to Yaad Abroad with Cake Sweetness. He's from prison, so one prisoner in here, so we're going like we see that, so we're not gonna call the feds on him, and we're just gonna go on like we see him, say him come from prison. But yeah, welcome everybody to Yaad Abroad with Cake Sweetness. I'm your hostess, Cake Sweetness. Today we have some interesting guests. Yaad Abroad was created where we not only are we going to be teaching people about the Jamaican culture, the diaspora, you name it. We're going to tell you about Jamaica. Whatever it is that you need to learn about Jamaica, I'm here to teach you, educate you, inform you. Whatever it is, me I go do it. Me I go do it. Me do it. Not only that, but we also will be linking with people from other countries that speak different language from us. Like our guests for today, one is from Las Vegas and one is from the Philippines. Right? But in the meantime, between time, I want y'all to get active. Let me know in the chat. What you grateful for? Tell me what you grateful for. Just type in the chat for me. What you grateful for? Just put one word. What you grateful for? I want to know what you grateful for. What you grateful for? Just type in the chat. Everybody that's in here, if you're alive and you're grateful, if you're grateful for something, type in the chat. One word. What are you grateful for? Just let me know. Quick and fast. What are you grateful for? I'm from Chicago. Yeah, Illinois. Big up yourself, Boss Blue Eye. Welcome to the live. What are you grateful for? What are you grateful for? Let's go. Type in the chat. What are you grateful for, guys? What are you grateful for? Let's go. Remember, guys, to tell a friend that Yaad Abroad has now begun. Alright? So, when you don't know, say, this segment that is about to start is about Yaad, right? This segment we teach people our language. A lot of people on here, they hear us from time to time. They see us in the comments, they see us in the chat, they see us in the verses, the random verses, and they are fascinated with the language. Them like how we talk, them like how we twang, them like how we sound. And enough people are come to Jamaica on vacation and them something like so. We say nice, say people love how we talk and them love how we twang and the whole work, so we say, alright. Make we do this. Make we come up with Yaad Abroad. Well, in the first part, we're going to teach you how to talk like we, because that most people want, they want to know how to talk like we. And then the second part, we have a link with somebody from over the next part. We're going to teach we how to talk like them. So first and foremost, coming to the chat, we have this lovely young lady. She is a leader on this app. She's a black VIP. She's also a part of the dream team in the gunning games. She's a mom. She is a stronghold black woman. Not that we are say we don't love nobody else on a black, We not take me on. We not say we don't love, you know what I mean? And this young lady, super busy. So right now, I'm lucky to even have her on this show tonight because this is a busy night for her. So I'm just going to go ahead and bring on the lovely, the wonderful Miss My Speeches. Did you request the box? Could you request the box for me, Mama? Welcome, everybody. Let me see if she's in the box. Yes. And let me know if you can't hear me good because I want to. Yeah. Let me see some hands in the chat. Let me see the hands emoji them for Miss My Speeches. Show her some love. Make you know. Welcome her to Yaad Abroad. We are linked with the people there. My Speeches. I'm so happy to have you on my yeah. Wow, God, what is this? Yeah. Welcome again to our lovely environment. Welcome to Yaad. Because me, Jamaica. I'm in Jamaica. She's in Las Vegas, right? So we are linked. But before we kick off everything, before we jump into the thing, let the people know about you as a person and how we find you. Go ahead. Yeah, yeah, we edify with people them. We edify with people them run here. We not just say re and ulale. We edify with people and we introduce them the right way. The mass speech is welcome, welcome. You know some not gonna talk no English for you. None at all. So right now are you for understand what we're gonna say. I want a volunteer in the chat. For this first segment, guys, we will be teaching my speeches, the Jamaican accent, language, culture, whatever it is that she wants to know about Jamaica. This is her chance. So she is going to be our guest who's going to learn about our culture. So I need a volunteer in the chat now, guys. There's a lot of Jamaicans. I know for in the chat. So what we want to do to make life easy for my speeches, whenever I say something and I want her to understand what I say, you to type it in the chat and type the little meaning inside of it. So if I say something to her and she want to understand, just type in the chat. Shaq, I'm very happy to see you. So I know that you're going to assume that position. And I mean, but big up on yourself. If somebody wants screen record, in case someone happened to my screen record, just do the math, just do screen record. But yeah, my speeches, I know you're a very, I know say, you're one very busy woman. Right? So we don't really want to take up much of your time because we don't have enough time because you don't know so funny and come up and you don't know, so we have to go switch it over a little bit and stuff. So, yeah. So my speeches, what go on? Yeah, yeah, they are. She's there. So my speeches. And what you do today? What you do today, my speeches? What you do today? What you do today? You don't do nothing today? So my speeches, what more you have to do? Yeah. You just ease yourself and chill out a little bit. Yeah. Go on through. Yeah, before we kick it off, you have some question you want to ask you in a patois, you want to teach you. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. We say thank you. How we say thank you? Big up yourself. Big up yourself or bless up. Big up yourself. Thank you. We not really say thank you too much. We say big up yourself. Our manners and respect. Big up yourself, our manners and respect. Enough respect. Lord God, the chat word. Our enough respect. So we have big up yourself, manners and respect. You can pay attention to the chat. They're typing. My lovely people are helping me tonight. Big up to everybody in the comments, by the way. So it's enough respect. Big up yourself, our manners and respect. But you have to say it with attitude. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Enough, enough respect and manners and respect. Big up yourself. Manners and respect. Enough respect. Manners and respect. Yeah. Yeah, like that. Yeah. 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 Make we go shop. Come make we go buy some things. Come make we go buy some things. Somebody type in the chat. Come make we go buy some things. Come make we go buy. Make we go buy. No, yeah. Come make we go shop. No, when we say come make we go shop, we say come make we go run. I can't shop run this up. When come, let's go shopping. Make we go buy. Make we go get some things. Or no man, come make we go get some things. Can make we're gonna say come make we go get some things for the house. Come make we go get some things there. Alright, take me to the shop. No, alright, come make we go get some food or some things. Come make we go get some things. Or if you're gonna buy food, you're gonna say If you're gonna buy food, go look some food. Come make we go look some food. If you're gonna buy food, let's say you wanna go to a restaurant. You wanna be taken to a restaurant, you're gonna say, come make we go look some food. If you're gonna go shopping, we could go buy some we could go look some food. But yeah, if it's food you're going to buy, if a food, that is if a food you're gonna buy. But if it's not food, and let's say you're gonna buy some stuff for the house, let's say you're gonna buy some stuff for the house, you're gonna say, come make we get some things for the house. Come make we get some things for the house. Somebody type that in the chat. Come make we get some things for the house. Alan, why not your turn? Yeah, I request the box. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, come make we get some things. Yeah, come make we get some things. Yeah. Next question. Me dey on vacation. What you mean? Me dey on vacation. Me dey on vacation. Me dey on vacation. We talk, alright, so the thing with, while somebody type that in the chat, with Jamaican, what makes us unique is that we speak with body language. We don't just talk, we don't just say words, we speak with attitude. To speak the Jamaican language, and we don't just talk either, we talk with our hands. Sometimes we talk with our hands.
The gold is in the pocket.
Yeah. We talk with our hands. Me dey on vacation. Yeah, me dey on vacation. Yeah.
Thank you.